everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a Boxycharm to share with you. This is the November's Boxycharm box. I did join the wait list for the Boxycharm Premium. I'm a little bit unsure how that works. One thing says you need to be the regular Boxycharm subscriber to be able to access the Boxycharm Premium, but then it goes into saying if you want to stay, you can stay with the premium, but maybe not the regular one. I'm not really sure. All I know is if I got the premium, I would be happy with that, and I wouldn't need the $25 one. So I think I might need to send them a contact us thing and have them break that down, because this is just a standard one, the standard Boxycharm, which I think went up a little bit in price. Y'all don't quote me. I've been just a little bit out of it, but let's see what they sent me. I did peek. I did the Kayla, and I'm like this about it. It's not too bad. It was just one item in particular I was really hoping for, and I didn't get it, and so then it kind of tainted the box, but I just got to get over it because the box isn't bad. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a monthly beauty subscription service. It was $25 a month plus tax. Let's see. But they have a premium and they have a Boxylux. Boxylux is quarterly at $50, so basically you're charged two separate charges, but it's equivalent to about $50. And I think, in my opinion, it is definitely worth it if you can afford to do that 4 times a year. The next thing that they implemented was, which is new, is their premium. And I've seen a couple of videos of the premium contents, and I think they did a good job for $35. And hopefully next month I'll come off the wait list and get the premium. This is the standard one, and like I said, if I can figure out how to get the premium and not this one, then that's what I would do. I don't need $55. Plus, I'm also in queue for the December Boxylux. That'll be over $105 going just to Boxycharm. No ma'am, no sir, no how. This is the inside that tells you all about what you received and its price, points, or like some hashtags and all that type of things. And then you got the featured person, or like a special person that could be in the box. I didn't get the item that a lot of people did receive from Nikita Dragon, which is one of those popular YouTube channels like Jeffree Star. We're 3 minutes in and I haven't showed you anything. But yeah, we'll reference that if need be. First thing I'm pulling out is some butt brushes. I do love brushes. I watched, oh, I can't think of the young girl's name. I do like her video content. And she was like, these are some odd shaped butt brushes. She's never lied. It makes me think of the NARS, the Japanese brush that they have that is very pricey, and the bristles is made out of something extra fancy. It gives me that type of vibe. And these were made specifically for the box. Goodness, like mine's got a little something on it, and this is my first time opening it. And then here's the other. What the hell? You guys see it's like fluffing up? I don't know. Yeah, these are kind of dusty. It's always something with me and these boxes lately. I don't know. They need to be clean for sure. Let's see here now. These are Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. They have a manufacturer retail value of $35. You can do a hashtag Boxycharm Stellar if you have these brushes in your photos on social media. It says create your favorite looks in total luxury. These is a Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, and mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base to help the precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These are ultra soft brushes. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free. That's very nice to know. Because mine's got a lot of like little dust kick up, I would, which I normally do, wash brand new brushes. But these, it won't be no shortcutting. So it's nice to know. They're multi-purpose and can go across different things, and you got a little baggie. Now the premium box people, they got more brushes. That's why this bag is wide, because they got more brushes. It's a bigger set than I got. I am happy to get this. And this is Nude Mood by Dose of Colors. I am very happy to be getting something from this company. I'm an admirer of their brand and just haven't ever took the leap to buy something. And whenever I was brave enough and ready to go ahead and do it, then the color or the highlight or whatever I was looking for was sold out. So haven't been able to get a purchase made. All right, they're cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. And this is a liquid lipstick. And this is what the little applicator looks standard. I believe I can work with this. I have to fill in lip liner and things like that. It'll definitely be a nude for sure. We'll see. Let's see. The retail value of that thingamajiggerbob is 18 bucks. It's a high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries to an ultra-comfortable matte finish. Always do a nice sugar scrub on your lips to get rid of any extra skin or dead skin cell type of stuff. Remove that, slush that away, wipe, then go on with a nice moisturizing, type of vitamin enhanced lip balm. Let that sit on while you're doing other stuff, and then you go in, you pat a little bit of that off, leave a little bit on but not a lot, then you go in with your liquid lip. I did get this, and it was in a zip bag, and this is Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. This is another one. I used to watch her YouTube channel. I don't know what happened, I just stopped. But these are some very nice colors to play with. I like having the tangerine and the nice kind of terracotta deserty brown. Then you got a couple of little shimmer glitter things up there, some pops and then you got two bright colors. So I think, and then this almost gray looking color is pretty cool. This is another one that I went on the site that I was going to make a purchase a year or so ago and walked off. And if I get sidetracked or stop processing and eliminate, I talk myself right out of it. And this retails for $35. Vivid Pigment Shadows Glittery Foils. 8 unique formulated shades to create a creative eye look. Electric colors. Yeah, these are some poppy colors. Vibrant. So they're just basically using different words to say pops. Very pops of color. I received this, but this is not what I wanted. This is Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. A proprietary blend of fruit stem cells, vitamin C infused with organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices to work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and to minimize the appearance of dark circles. You know, your girl with the dark circles, but I still don't want this. 50 bucks is what this retails for, and this is what it looks like out of the package. Whoa, got going on in there top. But yeah, I haven't pumped it or anything. Ugh, this is weird looking, but yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. I don't think I want to touch anything else more. Hey, if somebody out there has the oil, didn't open it, didn't play with it, and they don't want it, and you want to trade, comment below. And let's see, got a couple more things. I did get this, and I'm excited about this though, which is some Tula Star Bright Nurturing Nourishing and Brightening Cosmetic Hydrogel Mask. So I am happy about that, and leave these bad boys on for 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, got a trip coming up, so I'm going to pop one of these in my travel bag, and I'll probably use one around here just to see how I respond to it. And then lastly, because I canceled and then I signed up again, I don't know what my problem is this year, but I need to stop because I really do love Boxycharm, and I've been with them 4 years now. But because I re-signed up, I got a gift with return purchase or whatever, and it is Tarte High Performance Naturals Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. And this bad boy, it's got some, you know, neutral eye colors, but then it looks like you're getting a contour, a bronzer, and maybe something that you could use as a blush. So let's open it up. Got a whole pamphlet here, a little booklet to talk about some things, give you some instructions, how to make you a nice cat eye. So Tarte is coming with the classes on paper, so you know you're not left in the I don't know. And then this is what it looks like in person, like, you know, out of the packaging and not out in the paper. And that's my November's Boxycharm. Again, you know, travel friendly. Boat, plane, car, overnight, for a week. No one wants to take half their life. You know, pack light sometimes is good. So you can have some of your essentials in one hub. So if you did this one and this one, you can kind of create some different looks. You can do something that's, you know, traditional and classic, and then you can add a little bit of more flair or rock star-ish with two of these, and then your foundation and, you know, a liner or something. And then, to be honest, the brown or the gray from here, depending on the brushes you have, and then you have a black in here, you can use those as liners and just don't even bother with the pencil. This is a I don't know, but when I record a video probably this upcoming week, I'll try to use it then. So you guys will get to see how it looks. I ate Mambos, if y'all know what those are. It's like a Laffy Taffy type of candy. And man, it's just got a lot of that going on. Thanks for watching, everyone. You know, I didn't do the retail value, but I will leave it in the first comment. But basically, the eyeshadow palette was $35. The Juice Beauty eye treatment is $50. The liquid lip is $18. The Tula skincare mask set is $22. The two-piece brush set is $35. And then who knows how much this you know, little palette thing is on Tarte, but it's probably somewhere between $35 and $50, knowing them. All right. If you want to try them, I do have a referral link. That'll be in that comment box below. And I think you'll get a sign-up little extra bonus product if you decide to do so. And thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone. I got to go back to cleaning up. Peace.